in the San Francisco Bay Area means living alongside the powerful forces of earthquakes. Now let's go back in time to San Francisco on October 17, 1989 at 5:04 p.m. as the Loma Prieta earthquake struck. You just felt a sense of what people experienced during the Loma Prieta earthquake. The shaking lasted 15 seconds. The Bay Bridge and roadways collapsed as buildings fell and neighborhoods crumbled. However, the city's most famous earthquake struck with a much greater force. In this Victorian house, let's imagine San Francisco more than 100 years ago. In 1906, after the gold rush, the population boomed in the span of a few short decades. On April 18th at 5:12 a.m., the city began to wake as the shaking began. The shaking lasted 90 seconds, 3 times longer than what you just experienced. After the shaking stopped, a massive fire broke out, burning 28,000 buildings to the ground, including the original Academy building located downtown. While earthquakes can be devastating forces, they will always be part of life in California. Other perspectives, including indigenous science, can offer different ways to think about living with them. As you exit, look for the woven panel from a traditional Ohlone house.
She is right. Cái này là tối cái nó là lũ cái gì là nó cái đó là này ở bên đó mà này cho để chị để xong quá
Tại nó sư ôi giờ tôi sai tiền chê bây giờ một sai thì tiền nó nè của sản xa tiền chơi bây giờ tờ một xe khó ác hơn bỏ nó nè họ nè dùng nó xưa nhưng mà ở đài mình ở dấu luôn đấy là ở đài mình ở dấu luôn à hai cơn